Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the trigger replacement on your Dyson V10, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a small bowl for screws. Make sure your vacuum is unplugged and has no battery attached for safety. Start by removing the dust canister from the vacuum. Press the release button and pull the canister away from the main body. This gives you easier access to the internal components. Next, locate the screws securing the trigger assembly. There are typically 2 Phillips screws on the sides of the trigger. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew and place the screws in your bowl to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pry the trigger assembly away from the main unit using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any missed screws. Now, inspect the internal area for any debris or dust buildup. Cleaning this area will help to maintain the overall performance of your vacuum. Use a soft brush or a cloth to wipe away any dirt. This is an essential step, as a clean interior can prevent future issues. With the old trigger assembly removed, take your new trigger and align it carefully with the mounting points. Push it gently until it clicks into place. Once secured, you can replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened to avoid stripping the screws. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about doing it yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Our technicians can help you with the repair process. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transportation, no calls, no travel needed. After securing the trigger, reattach the dust canister by aligning it with the main body and pressing it back into place. Make sure it locks in securely. Finally, test the trigger by pressing it to ensure it functions correctly and responds as expected. If everything is in order, your Dyson V10 is back in action. Should you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect in terms of costs and options. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.